Hi, this is Nitin from TechCaesar and GetUpAndLearn.com. So, if you want to build your career in Salesforce, if you want to learn Salesforce, you need an environment where you can learn the configurations, you can play with the configurations, you can do some Apex coding and make yourself comfortable in the Salesforce world. Salesforce provide three different type of environment mainly. First one is production, which is being used for the real world applications. Another one is sandboxes, which comes with the production license, because every license has its limit. Like you can create a three sandboxes, five sandboxes, and whatnot, right? And those sandboxes are being used for the real world applications, for the QA, and then once everything is good, then you are deploying the code and the configurations on the production server. So these two are not free. So now the third one is a developer edition which Salesforce provide, and it's completely free. It's a completely free sandbox, and it's a pretty powerful, provide all the features which is required to learn the Salesforce, right? So how will you get the access? You need to go to salesforce.com slash developer.salesforce.com slash sign up, and once you will be there, you will see this screen, and I will put this link into the description area. So once you will see this screen, you need to fill all the information like the first name, last name, email, uh, and your company. If you are a student, you can put a student or something. All right, and then postal code and your username must be unique in the Salesforce database. So if everything is good, and you need to click on I agree checkbox and hit the sign me up button. If everything is good, then you will get an email to verify your email address and set the new password. And once you'll be done, you will go to the login screen, and one second, let me quickly log in here. And once you're on login screen, you need to provide your username which you have set it up and the password which you have set it up. And if everything goes well, you will see this Salesforce screen. Now you are entered into the developer edition sandbox, where you can see all the menu for the setup or other and all that stuff which is required to start learning uh, the Salesforce. So please create your free sandbox today, uh, and get a feel of the Salesforce world, and happy learning. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.